That's Bounty again.
Breezy the mailman.
Tim McGuire.
All right, we have a little dog from Scotland that we're going to try called Walker's Shortbread. Little Scottie dogs.
Hello, puppy dogs. I think these are going to be okay.
I think so too.
Yeah, I hope so.
I mean, it's a little dog. How can it be bad?
And if you notice, I can just flick the box and there you go.
Made for YouTube.
See? Whoop. Scots think of all of it. All right.
Let him open it up.
Yeah.
Problems.
Also, I'd like to mention that these may contain tree nuts, so if you have allergies to nuts, be careful. Do
I'm
your
just a
research
nut.
first. So you want to hear this? I'm not gonna open it for you.
Is it?
I
Oh,
don't think it's gonna go.
man.
I'm excited.
Let's see how the package is inside of it. Because I'm telling you, Indians know how to package stuff.
Right. Yeah,
Then
I couldn't get into it. I wasn't hurt.
I'm
them.
thinking Scottish people are too drunk. I mean, but this looks alright.
It's very neat and nice.
Hey, you see what it's missing?
The bow.
Where's the
The bow is not included. Wait a minute.
Man, I was expecting a little bow tie on
It says it right there.
I thought it was going to be chocolate.
Bow not included.
Hey, you know, I am.
I was excited for the
me
bow.
and you both are Scott Irish.
Yeah.
With a little bit of Cherokee.
I don't know about Cherokee.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see it in me at all. I don't know that. The only time that happens when I'm in the bathroom.
It appears that it's a doggy treat. Are these doggy treats?
Hey, even if it is, let's go for it.
Yeah, I know.
That's fine with me. Get this one. This one will run away.
There we go. Put the trash.
It's a little puppy.
Well, I can tell you by feeling them, they're kind of sturdy. They're not really that hard.
No.
You might want to take an aroma test.
It smells like
Somebody left their shoes off after a long day of work.
You know, I'm thinking about when we just said smelling it. He needs to try those peanuts if we still have them.
Oh my God.
Anyway, that's another story.
Yeah.
We had the video on his channel and on my channel where we're eating the peanuts.
What was the name of those?
Ho-hos.
Ho-hos. Yeah, it's like it was, they were washed off with poo-poo.
I don't want any.
All right, well, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Now, we've learned from the Indian food, just because it doesn't taste bad at the first 10 seconds doesn't mean it's not going to taste bad.
And smells can be deceiving. If it smells bad, it might taste good.
Those vanilla cookies, oh my God.
Okay, this is awesome.
Yeah.
It's the run-of-the-mill shortbread cookie.
Except when you breathe through your nose, I don't know. Kind of remind me
I like these.
macaroni and cheese sugar cookie.
I mean, this tastes like any sugar cookie we have here in the States. And you know, there's little tin cans where you have the little sugar cookies inside.
I believe it. What kind of milk, or did they use like goat milk?
I don't know. He's got the thing. I hope it's not goat milk. I'm gonna spit it off.
Because it does have a sheep's milk, goat milk flavor.
Well, on 1 and 10, I'm giving this a 9. Yeah, I said 9.
I'll go 10.
Wow.
I'm gonna be about a 4.
This is a good cookie.
Well, I definitely recommend these. By the way, you can find these at the World Market. That's where I picked up the majority of the stuff we've got for the next couple of videos. But this is pretty good.
It might be good.
Thank you, Scotland.
Like dipped in some of that Belgium.
Peanut butter.
All right, well, it's Bounty and Tim and Breezy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.